Welcome all of you. My topic is green synthesis of zinc oxide nanoparticle using curry leaf extract and its antimicrobial activities. Myself is Dr. D.T. Sakhare, Assistant Professor and Research Guide, UGPG and Research Center, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannada District, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. Introduction: Nanotechnology is emerging as a rapidly growing field with its application in science and technology for the purpose of manufacturing new material at the nanoscale level. Recent advances in the field of nanotechnology, particularly the ability to prepare highly ordered nanoparticles of any size and shape, have led to the development of new biocide agents. Nanomaterials are called as wonder of modern medicine. Nanotechnology is a multidisciplinary scientific field undergoing explosive development. Nanometer-sized particles offer novel structural, optical, and electronic properties that are not attainable with individual molecule or bulk solid. The character of metal and metal oxide nanoparticles has been of great interest due to their distinctive features such as catalytic activity, optical, magnetic, and electrical properties. Nanoparticle interaction with biological material and established a series of nanoparticle biological interference that depends on collide force as new nanomaterials with controlled size, shape, surface chemistry, roughness of surface coating. The use of plant for the synthesis of nanoparticle is novel and provide a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to chemical and physical synthesis. In addition, the use of plant can be easily scaled up for large-scale synthesis without the use of toxic chemicals or the need for high pressure, energy, and temperature. Nanoparticles present a higher surface area to volume ratio with decrease in size, distribution, and morphology of the particles. M- Materials and method: reagent and chemicals. Zinc nitrate and glassware was purchased from Merck Chemical Reagent Cooperative Limited, India. All glassware were washed with distilled water and dried in an hot air oven before use. Preparation of curry leaf extract. Curry leaves were collected from the campus of Shivaji College, Kannada, Aurangabad, Maharashtra in India. The leaves were washed several times with water to remove the dust particles and then dried light. The dried leaves were cutted and grinded for powder. The extract used for the reduction of zinc ions, Zn2 plus 2 zinc nanoparticle, that is the Zn oxide, was prepared by placing 20 grams of washed dried fine powdered leaves in 250 ml glass beaker along with 100 ml of double distilled water. The mixture was then boiled for 60 minutes until the color of the aqueous solution changes from the light yellow by using magnetic stirrer. The extract was cooled to room temperature and filtered using filter paper, that is the Waterman filter paper number 1. The extract was stored in a refrigerator in order to be used for further experiment. Next point, green synthesis of zinc oxide nanoparticles. Further 20 ml of curry leaf extract was taken from the stock solution stored at a refrigerator and boiled at 80 to 80 to 60 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of the solution reached at 60 degree, 2 gram of zinc nitrate hexahydrated um, crystal was added. The mixture was boiled until the formation of golden brown colored paste. The paste was transferred to a ceramic crucible cup and heated in muffle furnace, which was maintained at temperature 400 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. The obtained white colored powder was used for structural and optical studies. The flowchart used for the preparation of zinc nanoparticles as shown in below figure. Now it is the uh, Curie Curie leaves. It is also known as Azadirachta indica, and therefore it is a 20 gram of this Curie leaf, and it is heated, and then it is a filter, then it is a refrigerator is used, then in again the formation the preparation synthesis of metal oxide, therefore it again heated, that is the 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, adding by 2 gram of zinc nitrate solution, that is the hexahydrated, and therefore it is filtered up, that is the Waterman filter paper, and then it is heated, that is the furnace, that is the 400 degrees Celsius, that is the 2 hours. Result and discussion. UV visible analysis of zinc oxide nanoparticle. The UV visible spectrum of zinc nanoparticle synthesized by green method was recorded using Jasco P570 spectrophotometer within the range of 200 to 800 nanometer. Next point, X-ray diffraction, XRD analysis. The XRD pattern of zinc nanoparticles, that is the below figure, recording in the range of the 20 degree to 80 degree with a scanning step size 0.02 degree. All diffraction peak attributed to crystalline of zinc oxide with the hexagonal primitive structure. Space group P63 MC 186 A is equal to 3.249 nanometer and C is equal to 5.206 nanometer. The data obtained are good agreement with the Joint Committee of Powder Diffraction Standard, that is the instrument, that is the JCPDS card for zinc nanoparticles is used. The peak at 20 values, that is the 31.72, 34.7, 32, 36.12, 47.37, 56.47, 62.64, 65.73, 67.67, 68.87, 73.57, and 76.32 is corresponding to the plane of reflection respectively. The average crystalline size of the solgel synthesized zinc oxide have been reduced as 19.53 nanometer. They have been obtained from the full width at half maximum figure, that is the below A and B. The most intense peak of the crystal is using the Schechner equation, that is L is equal to 0.3 lambda upon beta cos theta, where lambda is the wavelength of the X-rays used, theta is the diffraction of angle, and beta is the full width at half maximum of the peak. The calculated surface area for zinc oxide 26.47 meter square per gram. The location of the peak was compared literature values and the presence of zinc oxide particle was confirmed. It is the spectrum of that is the synthesized nanoparticles, that is the zinc nanoparticles. It is the UV. Now conclusion, the biological production of metal nanoparticle is becoming a very important field in chemistry, biology and material science. Metal nanoparticles have been produced chemically and physically for a long time. However, their biological production has only been investigated very recently. The rapid biological synthesis of zinc nanoparticle using leaf extract of Curie leaf provides an environmental friendly, simple and efficient route for synthesis of nanoparticles. The use of plant extracts avoid the uses of harmful and toxic reducing and stabilizing agent. The synthesized crystallites of zinc oxides are in the range of 19.53 nanometer. Zinc nanoparticle can exist in ions only in the presence of strong oxidizing substances. The synthesis of zinc nanoparticles which still in its infancy of more research need to focus on the mechanism of nanoparticle formation which may be lead to fine tuning the process, ultimately leading to the synthesis of nanoparticle with strict control over the size and shape of parameters. Thank you very much.